Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Cancer cell biology can be tricky, but we can solve this problem quickly by following the relationship between proteins and their specific cellular functions. First, let's identify what SIRT1 actually does in these cells. The problem states that SIRT1 inhibits apoptosis and protects the c-Myc protein from being broken down by normal intracellular degradation. Next, we must analyze what happens when we introduce an inhibitor. Inhibiting SIRT1 means it can no longer protect c-Myc, which leads to a significant reduction in c-Myc protein levels. Finally, since SIRT1 no longer blocks apoptosis, the cancer cells will die off. This makes option C the only logical prediction for our final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and trust given data to find the right biological pathway.